How to fix TikTok black screen issue. So if you want to fix your TikTok black screen issue, then first let's open up TikTok application. And if you open up your TikTok and if you have this kind of black screen for a long time, then what that means is you don't have a stable internet connection. So first, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once you have a stable internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store and go for the search bar, and you can search for TikTok. And once you search for TikTok, here you will have the application. Instead of this open button, you may have an update up button. So you need to simply go for update and update your application. And once you've updated, you can simply open up your settings and then scroll down, go for apps and open up your TikTok on your settings, and then go for storage and cache, and you can go for clear cache. And once you've done all of these settings, you can simply hold on to that power button and you need to restart your device. And once you restart your device, you need to again go back and turn off your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, and you need to again turn on your internet connection, and then you can go to your TikTok and use your TikTok application, and then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your TikTok black screen issue. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.